Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the pump right at the water edge. You want minimal hose length to reduce pressure loss. Once placed, connect a generator or battery. Make sure it supplies the required 12 to 24 volts, otherwise the pump will stall. Attach the filter cartridge to the inlet so debris won't clog the impeller. Then fasten the output pipe with clamps. Tight seals prevent air locks and loss of suction. Do this now so you can power and prime the unit next. Once done priming by filling the inlet and filter, switch the pump to its low setting and run for 10-15 seconds to evacuate trapped air. Then increase the flow rate slowly. This prevents sudden surges that can burst hoses or overload the generator. Watch the pressure gauge while you ramp up. If pressure climbs too fast, back off and check for blockages. Make sure the pump stays below about 80 degrees Celsius to avoid thermal damage, and adjust rate to match your tank's fill rate. To finish, route the output into your storage tank and fit a check valve to stop backflow. This keeps the system primed when idle. If flow falls later, first shut off power, then inspect the filter and inlet for clogs, and press fittings to find air leaks. Small leaks cause major suction loss. Finally, perform routine maintenance. Clean the filter frequently and retorque clamps weekly to prevent failures. If nothing fixes it, replace the impeller. Worn blades reduce efficiency significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.